To all the aspirants out there, Abhyas Academy wishes you a very happy new year. Hope this year becomes a memorable year in your life's chat. So January vachesindi, it's the high time that you start focusing on the prelims. Complete shift ani cheppatledu, but till now if you are allocating 20%, then there is a need that dani 40% ki meer increase cheyali. But if you are a person malli prelims lo disqualify avutu unte, then friend, this is the time that you should start focusing on the prelim. Many students have excellent answer writing skills, but they are not getting the platform to express that. Why is this so? Because వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ prelims disqualify అవుతున్నారు. To qualify the prelims, there are many doable factors. One important factor among them is the previous year's questions. Previous year's questions of UPSC. So, be it any previous year's question, preliminary previous year's question, we can categorize the questions into core areas and the second into gray areas. Okay, the core areas will determine your survival rate in the exam. So, the core areas will determine the survival rate in the exam. Whereas the gray areas, they will determine the winning rate in the exam. Okay, so core areas, they test your basics in the exam. You will have very less chance to make wrong in this. Because any serious aspirant అన్న తీసుకోండి, వాళ్ళ బేసిక్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటుంది. సో కోర్ ఏరియాస్లో రాంగ్ చేసే ప్రాబిలిటీ చాలా తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ డూయింగ్ మిస్టేక్స్ ఇన్ ద కోర్ ఏరియాస్, దెన్ థింక్ దట్ యువర్ క్వాలిఫైయింగ్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ప్రిలిమ్స్ రెడ్యూసెస్. సో why there is a high probability in scoring core areas? There is something called principle of Pareto. Wherein మనం 20% ఎఫర్ట్స్ పెట్టి 80% అవుట్పుట్ తీసుకొని రావచ్చు. This core area will help us in implementing this. ఎలా? సో కోర్ ఏరియాస్ మనం ఎప్పుడైతే అనలైజ్ చేస్తామో డిఫరెంట్ ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్తో, దెన్ వీ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ థీమ్స్ ఇన్ ఇట్. So these are such themes which UPSC never misses asking questions from these things. So it doesn't require much time for us to cover these themes, but it will give us more than 20 marks in the prelims questions. And it is not required to explain the magic of 20 marks in clearing the prelims exam. So to cover the core areas, we have to identify the important themes. Now coming to the gray areas. So once you survive the core areas, now gray areas, it operates on eliminating the candidates. Aspirants with low analytical skills, low risk taking attitude will get eliminated in this place, because here we cannot identify the important themes. It is very hard to bring out the important themes, but we can bring here patterns that UPSC asks. For example, in like 2 to 3 years back, UPSC asked about the RLC, saying that which sea is getting dried up. Now, from this pattern, we can just expect a question. Recently, there is a news in the news that Lake Kariba in Africa is getting dried up. So, gray areas we can score here by identifying the patterns, and this is also by analyzing the previous year's questions. Now, when I say all these things, I can understand that as an individual aspirant, it is very hard to cover all these things in detail. So because you have many things, like you have optional to do, you have essay, ethics, GS papers, mains. So it is very hard to deep analysis of each and every question and studying each and every theme. I understood to certain extent. So which is why we are here to help you. We Abhyas Academy is bringing you a series which will cover these two things. The first series will cover by identifying the important themes. Okay, so what you can expect from this series? First thing, we are going to identify the important themes based on previous year's questions. And then, by discussing these important themes, there will be a content building. On the basic topics. Besides, we will do deep analysis of each and every question. I'll tell you why is this important now. No matter how much we read, even if we read all under the sun, still there will be certain questions which we cannot answer. So in this series, we are going to see different approaches in solving questions. Okay, by this we covered addressing the core themes. Now, coming to the gray areas, our research team will identify the themes that has high probability to come into the preliminary questions. Based on that, we will do shorts every day. This way, Abhyas Academy will contribute to the holistic preparation of Prelims 2025. So all the best for your preparation. Let us start our journey and inspire each other in this journey. Thank you.